This week we are going to learn how to gold leaf, and we're going to do one of my favorite techniques, and that is dry brushing. And before we get started, I would love if you hit that like button and subscribe button so you can help my algorithm. Thank you.
Not your algorithm.
This project I'm going to start by painting it in one solid color, and that is charcoal by Rust-Oleum.
We don't need to talk. Sorry if I'm making this hard. Now I'm just wondering where we are. I don't wanna face the consequences, but baby, yeah, you know I hate second guessing. I'm just wondering where we are. Drifting into space, keep driving on the freeway.
I used my bristle brush for this piece and I painted in every direction. I put 2 coats because I wanted solid coverage.
Overthinking out there in the clouds, drifting on and there for hours. Lately I've been trying to figure out, wonder if you're ever.
And I love to have a little bit of texture, that's why I'm painting in every which direction. At any moment, if you feel that your paint is thick and it's not spreading easily, just spray some water and you're good to go.
This far, we did go throughout the circumstances, but baby, yeah, you know I hate second chances. Surprised we ever got this far.
We are painting this piece of furniture that is fake wood. I'm not sure what it's made out of, but it's very light and very fake. And I wanted to show you that you can paint anything with chalk paint. It just doesn't have to be just solid wood.
Overthinking out there in the clouds, drifting on and there for hours. Lately I've been trying to figure.
I want to layer some light blue color. I don't have any light blue by Rust-Oleum, so I'm just going to mix dark blue and white, which is coastal blue and white linen.
Baby, how did we ever come this way? I know you don't want to stay. Dreaming out in space, keep rushing down the highway. Keep yourself busy on the Sundays. You keep doing you, I do it my way. Overthinking out there in the clouds, drifting on and there for hours.
I'm going to dry brush now using this brush. It's a bristle brush. I'm going to put a very small amount on tip of my brush.
Never coming down.
Dry brushing is when you put very small amount of paint on your brush, just on tip of it, and then you unload it. As I say, you get rid of paint and there is like even less amount of paint on your brush, and then you just go back and forth, back and forth. I will show you now.
When I think about yesterday, my oh my, my oh my, a kiss, and so I did. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable.
Dry brushing is my favorite technique. You can achieve all kind of looks just with dry brushing. How much dry brushing you do, it's totally up to you. It depends on the look you're going for. You can dry brush very lightly and be done with it. You can keep dry brushing heavily, and it's again totally up to you.
My, oh my. My, oh my. A kiss, and so I did.
Now I'm going to add some gold leaf. I got this gold leaf from Amazon, and I'm going to add gold leaf on the legs, on the bottom of the legs, on the knobs.
But you make me crazy. Never got your name, but you got me begging.
To apply gold leaf, you want to use a brush to put some glue or gator hide. In my case, you put wherever you want your gold to be.
And I gotta leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat. Just wanna give you my best. I don't even know your name, but you got me. 'Cause you're
Then you take one sheet of gold leaf, so one sheet, you put on top of that glue, and then you just touch it with your fingers.
making me feel so dreamy. Not the one who pays for drinks, but you got me. 'Cause you're all that got me locked in now. Go ahead and take a shot.
And then if there is anything hanging that you don't want, you just remove that.
Playing the way you're making it move. Yeah, you do it so smooth. Make it all about you. Can have it all if you want. Taking the chance, stuck in my head. Not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat. Just wanna give you my best. Taking the chance, stuck in my head. Not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat. Just wanna give you my best. I don't even know your name, but you got me. 'Cause you're old to die. We don't know what happens next, but you got me. 'Cause I'm next in line. You make it look so easy, making me feel so dreamy. Not the one who pays for drinks, but you got me. 'Cause you're old to die. Yeah, yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me. Yeah, 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 take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me. Yeah, yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me. Yeah, yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Show my love for you, show my love for you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Show my love for you, show my love for you. Taking the chance, stuck in my head. Not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat. Just wanna give you my best. I don't even know your name, but you got me. 'Cause you're old to die. We don't know what happens next, but you got me. 'Cause I'm next in line.
Then you let that little bit of to dry, and then you go with a dry brush and just remove any extra gold.
Yeah,
So now it was time to do the top.
Give it all to me, give it all to me. Yeah, yeah.
I started dry brushing the top, and then I just kept on going and I kept on going, and at one point I was like, you know what, I'm just going to make this top solid blue color, and that's what I did. So when dry brushing, to me, the most important part are details. Details will make your pieces look completely different. It will take them to another level. I want to go into corners and details. I'm going with a graphite color with dark gray, just a little bit on the edges, and wherever I see it fits. So I'm adding shadows with a base color, dark gray. Again, using the blue color, I go over some spots too. So just going back and forth, and wherever you feel it fits, that's what you should do. Legs, once I put gold leaf, I was like, I like it, but I think it needs to be toned down. So I got my sanding pad and very lightly I sanded some gold wherever I wanted less gold, and then everything faded into each other and it looked gorgeous. I decided to go with Easy Peasy spray wax from Dixie Belle. So I sealed everything with clear wax, but wherever I have gold leaf, I went with gator hide. Join me Monday for the Kacha podcast, where we talk about furniture, business, and a lot of more things. So I hope to see you there. Bye. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.